Several weeks ago, I learned about Hapbee, and it is a very cool company that a lot of people, a lot of athletes are using, and it's a great way to get a better night's sleep, more energy, better mental focus, or relaxation. And I connected with the company. They sent me both devices, and over the past 2+ weeks, I've been using both. But I was really intrigued for the sleep pad because I do get up during the night to go to the bathroom, and I wanted to see if this might help me not only get up less, but could I fall back asleep quicker in a deeper night's sleep. So it's been really interesting, and it ties in with an app and uses this frequency, and so you can boost that. And it's there I really learned quite a bit about my body and the limitations. So I'm really excited to share with you about both of these, and I will share my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section, so you can check it out and if you want to take advantage of it. And I appreciate if you end up using the link, it helps the channel. Now when you go to the website, by the way, you'll see with the app there is a optional membership which you're really going to want to take advantage of, because there are sessions, as I'll show you in the app. There are some free sessions, but you're really not going to take advantage of these products. So do keep in mind, if you're going to want to get this, I would plan on recommending to pay for either a yearly option or monthly. So you'll see that there, and they're running promotions too, so you could check it out. These do come in these nice boxes. You got the Type-C cable, so you got that there. As far as the technology, it uses frequency-based signaling, and that helps to signal the energy, the sleeping, the relaxation, and do it without the need for pills or patches, and science-based as well. It also uses and sends ultra-low frequency energy that mimics magnetic patterns of natural compounds like caffeine for energy and or melatonin for sleep. So it's really interesting. Now, as far as the neck product is made to use for during the day, waking up, kind of give you like a boost, like a cup of coffee. If you need that mental focus, relaxation at the end of the day, or meditation and sleep. This goes right over your neck. You wear it like this, and it's not heavy, and it's a rubberized material, so it helps stay in place. And then you have your charging port there and the power on and off button there. And it's generally connects very quickly and easily to the app as well. And then you also have the sleep pad. This is not machine washable. It's soft padded. You put this right underneath your pillow when you're using it. And then you also have the charging port and the on and off button. So this is really just used for that meditation and also for sleeping. That is what that is for. Now, as far as these two devices, when you're charging it, it's quick to charge. I do notice it doesn't light up when it's charging, but it may initially, but then the light doesn't stay on. So the only way you really could see is checking with the app. But I say when you plug it in, it's a quick to charge, an hour or so, give or take, and you should be able to charge it up, especially if you only use it for a session or two, but you do get multiple sessions for both. And like if you're traveling, you're in a hotel, you get up in the morning, when you get up, you charge it up, or when you get to the hotel, just charge it, and before you go to bed, unplug it, and you should be good to go. So those are things to be aware of. And I do like the fact as well for sleeping, if you're worried about Bluetooth connectivity, because some people don't like to have Bluetooth on all the time. So with these devices, good news is you turn it on, you connect it to the app, you pick your session. Once the session starts, you can turn Bluetooth off, and then it runs on its own, which is nice. Then if you want, you can come back, turn your Bluetooth on, see if it's still working to check, but it has worked for me just fine. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the app and how that works. So what you wanna do is download the Hapbee app. So the Hapbee app is nicely laid out. So first on top, you'll see disconnected. It will show you your devices there, and I'll turn those on in a minute. It easily connects to your devices, and you've got the Hapbee assistant there where you can ask it all sorts of questions. So they make it very intuitive, but I haven't gone super deep into that. But again, you have this assistant, so there's all sorts of great information there. Membership, as I said, you can get the information there. Then you got the wellness concierge, and here you can ask, you could type in a question about sleep, or if you wanted to get recommendations about different sessions that you want to use, for example, sleep, it will show you all these different sessions. Now, as I mentioned, because it's membership, you can see all these sessions in here, which is so cool. And that's what you get when you pay for your membership. With it free, you're very limited on what you can do with it. And then down there, there's some recent ones and popular ones. So a lot of great information in the app, but I want to just give you a high, just a high level here. So I'm going to go ahead, for example, here with my sleep pad. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. So you'll hear like a little vibration, and it gives it a haptic kind of feel. And so let me make sure my Bluetooth is on. And so it takes an extra second. I see the green light flashing on the device, so it's waiting to connect. So it does take a few seconds, but if I click sleep pad and connect, it should connect. So there we go. Now it's connecting. And now it takes a second and there we go. Now it's connected. You could see it's got 71% battery life. Again, it will trickle down as well when you're not using it, even when the power's off. So I do notice that as well. So a couple of things you could adjust here. The brightness, it's got some other with the lighting. So it does stay on with the light, so you can adjust that, and also the charging brightness. Maybe that's what I have to raise up a little bit to see with the charging port now that I realize that, but there you go. Now, the way this works here, you have your morning coffee, you got deep sleep. So for me, in this case here, I use deep sleep. So I'm gonna click on deep sleep. Now here, it tells you a little about it. It says, give your body the restorative sleep. It needs to reinforce your natural circadian rhythm. This is perfect for light sleepers that wake up frequently through the night. So this is what I have been using. Now you could save it to your favorites. Now you press play. Couple of things here. One is you pick how long you want it to go. So let's just say, what I usually do is I set it for about 7 hours and 0 minutes. Now there is a boost mode, and the boost mode, which I have used, I will tell you, I was waking up where it was just too much for me. I think, overstimulated. I was feeling like I was a little bit of a zombie. So I turned that off. For some people, that boost mode will work well. And then here it's got the sleep mode. If enabled, lights and haptics on your device will be disabled, and your device will automatically power off once the playable has been finished. So I'm gonna say yes in that case. I'm gonna press play, and now you could see it's showing there the sleep. Now, if I click on this, it will have the magnetometer or magnetometer. And so I'm gonna hold this away from the sleep pad. Now, if I put this right over it, you could see how the frequency changes once you go over that. So how cool is that? So you can really see it's working, it's doing something. Now again, you could turn off the Bluetooth, but this is what it's showing, the field strength. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the neck product on. And if you wanna do the same thing with the neck product, let's say you wanna use this for coffee, I'm gonna show you here as it connects in a minute. Now you can see the light is on there, and it does take a second. It's flashing. Now you could wait for it to connect, or you could push it. So it does take a few seconds. Now it's searching. There you go. So there you go. It's connected, 67%. So morning coffee here. You could see here, sharpen your senses and heighten your energy and awareness for mental edge. Great for when you need to hit the ground running or stay motivated and on task. So now I'm going to press play, and I'm going to put this one on boost. Maybe, during the day, I have used the boost versus not the boost now when I sleep. So now if I press play, and now if I do the same test and I put this in the middle, you can see how that is working with the field strength. So if I take it away, you could see the difference. So you can, then it really tells you it's really doing something. So it's a really, really cool technology. Try it out. You could check out all the policies if it doesn't work for you as well on the website there. Now, as far as my experience, to finish up this video, for the neck product, I'm still in the process of seeing how well it helps me. I'm not sure if I'm finding it as effective yet for me. A little bit, I feel it is with the morning coffee. So that's what I noticed with the neck product. With the sleep pad, I will tell you that I have noticed a difference with my sleep. My sleep scores, when I'm showing that I'm awake, have improved quite a lot. And even my scoring, my sleep score has gone up. So I'm noticing a difference on both. I do still wake up during the night to go to the bathroom, but I feel like I am getting a deeper night's sleep. I'm showing on my watch, I'm getting a deeper night with REM, but I'm also finding I'm falling back to sleep. Now, I've had some nights where I still have woken up a little bit earlier in the morning, maybe 4 o'clock, and then maybe have trouble falling asleep, but many a nights it's really seen an improvement for me, and I've got bladder issues when I wake up. So I will definitely say the sleep pad is working better for me so far than the neck product. So that's my thoughts there on how it's working for me. So that is a high level. I'll do some more videos on this, but if you're interested in checking it out, again, my referral link will be in the description as well as in the comment section, so you could learn more about it. And love any questions you might have or how it's working for you, leave those questions, and I appreciate the company sending this to me, and stay tuned for more. And in the meantime, I'm gonna continue getting some good night's sleeps, and also during the day to give me some boost as I continue to learn more how this benefits me. All right, everybody, have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for joining me today.